So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Comcast email in Outlook keep asking for the password. IMAP login fix. So guys, if your Comcast email keep asking for the password in your Microsoft Outlook, so this problem is usually related to the IMAP authentication setting, incorrect server configuration or outdated security. First of all, guys, you verify your Comcast email and password. Sometimes the Outlook repeatedly asks for the password because saved password is incorrect. Okay, so to remove the saved password and check your which password that you are use. First of all, open your control panel and the control panel section. Okay, you just click here, go to the user account, and in the user account here you see the option of credentials. In the credentials, check the credentials which is saved. If any saved, so you want check just show password, otherwise you remove it. Okay. Another thing is, guys, you try to remove and re-add the email account. If the account configure is corrupted, so you remove and adding it again. For this, simply go to the file, then go to the settings. In the settings section, guys, go to the account. After that, here you click on the option of add account. Here you enter the account and enjoy it. And guys, still having the issue, so guys, you try to generate a third-party app password. Comcast sometimes require any app specify password for the mail like Outlook. To sign in with the Comcast and Infinity email account, go to the security section and create third party. Otherwise, you reset your password. For resetting the password, you simply go to the Comcast official website. Sorry, niftyinfinite.com. Okay, here you just go and click on the option of forget your password, so reset your password. Okay, here you enter your mobile number, then continue, and if it is not, then you use your mail. Okay, so this is the way that you can done. Another thing is, guys, you repair your Outlook. If the issue continues, so repair your Outlook installation. For this, simply open again control panel, then guys go to the option of uninstall a program. For this, simply go to and choose your application. Here you see that it's your Microsoft 365. After that, right click on it, change and repair it. So these are the basic things that you can done to fix this issue. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.